All right, 3C. This is an optional project, but you are going to explain how to tie your shoes if you decide to write this. So what it has is what you need. What are all of the materials that you would need to tie a shoe? Think about what's included. What would you have to have? Would it work if I brought flip-flops? Well, no, because they don't have laces. So you let me know, what would we need to tie your shoes, who it's by, and then you have all of this space to write how you would tie your shoes. Now, here's the thing. I'm going to choose a few of your writings, and I am actually going to video myself using your instructions to see if I can tie a shoe. I won't include your name, but I will have your sheet up in front of me, and I'm going to follow them exactly. So you want to make sure you give me really detailed instructions. I'm going to demonstrate on a project I wrote about. So mine was how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Now you're doing shoes, but this is my example. So it says, what do you need? I said wheat bread. I could have just said bread, but I was very specific and I said wheat. So now you know exactly what I'm using. Smooth peanut butter, because what if you decided to use chunky? And I'm like, no way, that is not how you make the perfect peanut butter and jelly sandwich. And instead of saying jelly, I said grape jelly. So I'm very, very specific, and a butter knife. Because if I used a different knife, that would be dangerous and very sharp. So here is my detailed list of what I needed. It's by me. And would you look at this already? I see I even numbered my steps. And what do I have? I have first, next, after, then, lastly. These are all amazing transition words so that I can follow my steps and my instructions right after another, and I know exactly what I'm talking about. So let's see. To make this peanut butter and jelly sandwich, I have what I need. Now it says first, you grab 2 pieces of bread and not the end pieces. If I just said 2 pieces of bread, you might have grabbed an end piece, and I don't think that makes a very good peanut butter and jelly sandwich. I like the middle pieces. Next, take 1 piece of bread, open the jelly jar, scoop some jelly on your knife, and spread it on one side of the bread. If I didn't say 1 piece of bread, you might have taken both pieces of bread and you might have put jelly on both pieces of bread. If I didn't say one side of the bread, you might have taken the jelly and you might have spread it over the entire piece, like front and back. Would that be a very good peanut butter and jelly sandwich? So see how specific I'm being. Lots of detail. Next, good transition word. I know that's my next step. Take 1 piece of bread. Oops, I already did that. After. Okay, so next, then after. Grab the second piece of bread, open the peanut butter, scoop some on a knife, and spread it on one side of the bread. Again, I have opened the peanut butter because if I just had in my jar, I really couldn't scoop anything out of it. Okay. Then, put the 2 sides with jelly and peanut butter together. I said the 2 sides, but they have peanut butter and jelly on it. Can you imagine if I squished together the 2 sides that didn't have peanut butter and jelly? My sandwich wouldn't stick together and my hands would get very, very sticky. So again, details matter, because when I video myself using your directions, I'm going to do exactly what your directions say. Then 5, I have lastly, you can cut it into halves if you would like and eat it. Clean up when you are finished. And that, people, is how you make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. So that's my example. You are not making a sandwich. You are telling us how to tie your shoes. So again, write what you'll need in here. Like I said, if you put flip-flops, I don't think that would work very well. If you just said shoes, I might grab flip-flops. So what would I need in here? Your name, but I will not say it if you do not want me to. And then remember, I numbered mine and I had transition words. So if you choose to do this, use lots of details, and I cannot wait how to learn to tie my shoes. This, you can either use the sheet attached, you can print it out, you can type right on there, or you can even write this on a separate sheet of paper and send me a picture. Okay, have fun, people.